So if you are lazy and you are looking for ways by which you can earn Youlikehits on limited points without working, then head on to Google and search for Youlikehits. Once you are there, register an account if you haven't, and then go to Google and now search for Youlikehits blogger. Okay, here's where we are going to be getting our script. Once you search for Youlikehits blogger, the first website that will come, click on it. Now by the time you'll be watching this video, it won't be the latest post on the website, so I want you to go to the search bar right now. These are some few adverts. Don't be stingy. Okay, interact with this ads to give someone some sense, because it took me 3 hours to make this bot. So now you just search for how to make your own Youlikehits bot. Okay, search for how to make your own Youlikehits bot. So once you search for it, it will be the only post that will be available. So click on it and it opens another page. So on this page, just follow the steps and read all the instructions and you'll be able to make your own bot. But if you are lazy and you don't want to make your own bot, then you can now click on WinRAR here to download WinRAR, because you also need WinRAR. If you already have WinRAR downloaded, then that's okay. So I will just go ahead and click on download button right here, and it's downloaded right there. I'll just wait for a few seconds for the download to finish. So once the download is done, I'll just click and open it, then install it, and then I'm done. So once I finish installing this WinRAR, the next step is for me to get our script recorder or player, what we'll be using to record our script or play our script. So click on this black download button right here. You see many ads, so don't worry, you need to skip some of them. So once you click on it, you send you to this page right here. Wait for at least 10 seconds for the countdown to start counting right here, and I'll click here to continue, and it opens another page. So once you're on this page, you need to also wait for additional 10 seconds. No, it's 5 seconds rather. Once those 5 seconds have finished, click on skip. Okay, click on the skip button. It will appear very soon. If you skip and it doesn't work, keep skipping until you reach a page where it will tell you that okay, this page right here. If you don't see this page, keep skipping. So once you're here on this page, your download will start automatically. It might start earlier depending on your internet connection. Okay, so once I've finished downloading, I'll just click on this run button right here and run the script recorder. So I'm done installing it. So all I'll do is now launch it and see how the interface looks like. This is how it looks like. So you can record it or look at it. So once you click on this YouTube like script, it will send you to this page and you will download it. So once the download is finished, now open this script right here, but don't play it. Select the file, don't play it, and now go to your YouTube and you can see the bot is running by itself. I'm not doing anything, it's running by itself. So you can do this also by simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'll be making videos like this. So if this bot, you don't like this bot and you like other bots for other websites, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because in a day or two I'll be releasing a video about that one also, so that you don't miss any of our awesome videos. So you can see right now the bot is running without me even touching. So I can leave this bot, it will run for 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes you have to come and do it again. But I'll make a 2 hours on when this video gets 10,000 likes and the channel gets 10,000 subscribers.